Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Roman statesman Marcus Cicero lived in the century before the birth of Christ. A brilliant lawyer, writer, poet, and philosopher, Cicero's work was considered the most influential of its time. In one of his most famous treatises, Cicero outlined the 6 mistakes of man, giving us a lesson in living that applies to this day. In his book, Wisdom of the Ages, Dr. Dyer reviews Cicero's 6 mistakes of man. Today, we'll look at the last mistake. You'll see why in a moment. Number 6 reads, attempting to compel others to believe and live as we do. Too often, we feel victimized by those who are imposing on us their views of what we should be doing and how we should be living. This creates tension and resentment because no one wants to be told how to live or what to do. We need to remember this truth, says Dyer, and take the advice of Voltaire in his last line of Candide. Learn to cultivate your own garden. If others want to grow cabbage and you choose to grow corn, then so be it, says Dyer, adding, cultivate your own garden and let go of your tendency to examine and judge how others cultivate theirs. Catch yourself in moments of gossip about how others ought to be living, and rid yourself of thoughts about how they should be doing it this way, or how they have no right to live and think as they do. Stay busy and involved in your own life projects and pursuits, and you will be far too busy to care, much less compel others to believe and live as you do. With thanks to Cicero, Voltaire, and Dyer, I'm Marion Owen.